Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add travel buddies or co-travelers to the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the profile button down below in the right side of the screen, and after that you should tap on the My Companions section. It might take a few seconds till it loads, but after that you should be able to add your travel buddy. Tap on the Add Co-Traveler button in the middle of the screen, indicated with this plus icon, and then you should add the title of this person. So go to the top, add the title, then the gender, first name, last name, then date of birth should be selected, as well as nationality, ID number, but it's optional, so it's not obligatory, you don't have to add it. However, the passport number is obligatory, as well as its expiry date. As you scroll down, you should add contact details, including email, country of code, and phone number. And if you are done with adding these details, click on the Save Changes button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.